had to escape from this, they held me back. I had to break chains, I'm not slave to that. Think I found my way out of that. I was sleeping and I woke up, having dreams and visions, yeah. I know I was tripping though, I need a savior for my soul. Can you help me, Lord? I'm not gonna lie, my eyes were blind, I need you for sure. I'm not gonna lie, my eyes were blind, I need you for sure. Yeah, I need you for sure, your love will help me more. Come take the world, I cannot take it anymore. Yeah, my own homies, they were stuck in sin, they couldn't move. They need some help from you, they need that spirit juice. Open my eyes, I need to see your light. The gates of heaven can't wait till I arrive. Your presence is the thing that I need. Your presence is the thing that I want to see. Yeah, I was so confused, I couldn't make a move. It's either right or you left, which one you gonna choose? For sure I can't stay here, you know I'm on